Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are going to use our extended reach handles like I did in a previous video on a Subaru, but today we're actually going to use them on something that it will help us on, this Ram 1500. And what you can see here is I rotated my cups basically 180 degrees. I put them in the same place, but I set them in the same locations, just turned them 180 degrees so I can utilize the handles here. And what we're going to do is we're going to drop these handles in, and when your windshield's upside down like this, make sure these are pointing up, because when you flip this handle you're going to be holding it here and all your weight's going to be in this curvature here. So let's drop this guy on here. Make sure our cups are properly anchored. And we've already shot this, so we're going to go ahead and set it now. The hardest part of this is this transition here from this handle to these handles. So, but aside from that, all your controls are exactly the same. You can still maneuver and manipulate the glass the same way. I'm going to drop that up there and bring this guy down and just set it right in place like you normally would. Now this glass had guide pins on it, so we don't have to worry about tape. Come over to this side as per normal and watch your guide pin, your location. Actually, it looks like we're going to hit this mirror, so push that out of the way. If you can't push the mirror out of the way, usually grab the cup here and then slip this out and then drop your windshield all the way down. In this case, we were able to just move the mirror. And just like that, we are set, ready for the next one. Thanks for watching.